guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little tutorial kind of thing. I just really wanted to play with the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette. I got this a few months ago and I have been dying to try it out. So it comes with some highlighters and eyeshadows and I love the packaging of it. My nails match and that wasn't on purpose. I love this kind of nude blush color. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And I do really love the BH Cosmetics collabs that they do with influencers. They tend to be really good quality at a really good price. So if you wanted to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I am doing a first impressions today. I am testing out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. So I've already applied that. If you want to see my first impressions, I'll have it linked down below. I'm so excited to try this palette. I think I'll finish off my base like I usually do. I'm going to use the La Roche-Posay Concealer Pen Brush for Fair Skin. I actually used this in a video recently and I do like it, but I just wanted to test it out by itself because I don't think I've used it since the video. So I'm just going to apply that. I hate these brush applicator things. Like, I'm not a fan of them whatsoever. So I'm just gonna do this highlighting. It's funny that it says for fair skin and like I haven't got fair skin at the minute. I'm sorry, but like there's nothing beats the original Beauty Blender. Like, yeah, I do like this. Probably not if you're going for like a natural kind of look, but I like the cake look. I'm actually just about to finish my NYX Dark Circle Corrector. I have a tiny amount left. I'm actually really proud because I never finish products. The only products I usually finish are powders, face powders, like the Australis ones. I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Honey just to try and cover up these. It doesn't match me. I think I need custard, to be honest. This one's like too pinky peachy toned, but it's so good at covering things up. It's amazing. So I'm just going to pop that on and then blend it out with some more foundation. I'm going to use this Face of Australia Loose Translucent Powder. Can you even get this anymore? If you know where you can get it from, let me know, because I have not seen this brand in Priceline for a while. So has it gone? I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to pick that up on my beauty blender and bake with it. So set my under eye area as well as down my nose, my forehead, chin, just where I put that concealer. My Savvy Pressed Powder, which is also nearly out, but I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this. Just going to use this medium brow. I have Horace brow pencil. I'm surprised this hasn't actually run out. I've had it for like a few years. I'm going to use this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is in light brown. I like this, but it's just got such a big wand. It's going to clean up the edges there. That's the one thing, like I don't get an as crisp line with using these products. This is why I use the Cabral. Okay, I'm going to get rid of my baking. MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Okay, so here is the palette. I'm so excited to use this. I've heard really, really amazing things about it, and I personally love the collaborations that BH Cosmetics does with influencers. I personally find the quality amazing. The products are so good and they are so affordable as well. This one does come with 21 colors, so they're a mix of eyeshadow, highlighter, and contours. I'm going to take the color Nudist and set my eye base. That is like super pigmented. It's, you know, easy to pick up on the brush, easy to pop down on the eye. That's a good start. Okay, I'm taking the color Control Freak. I'm gonna place that in my crease. Wow. Wowee. Probably like took a little bit too much and now I need to blend it out. That's amazing. I really like hardly took any product then and that's amazing. This is on a Zoeva 221, by the way. So just a nice big fluffy brush, just blending that through and then just blending it out really softly. This honestly looks like it's 3 different colors on my eye already. Like, that's amazing that this one eyeshadow can make it look like that. Wow, that's so nice already. Like, honestly, you could just do this with something on the lid and it would look bomb. I don't even know what to do next. Little to no fallout. I'm going to take some spice just on the same brush and just really lightly pop that through. Can you see the warmth that that just brings? Like, I know it's already warm, but you know, like it just adds in that extra layer. I don't want to do, like, I've got a few other videos to film, so I don't want to do like anything too out there, but I might take Friday on the lower lash line. It's actually a lot brighter than I thought it would be. It looks so pink on me, whereas in here it looks quite like burgundy. That's not really what I was expecting. You know what? I'm going to do passion. I never do like a shimmer on the lower lash line. These shimmers are like a very different formula to a lot of other things that I've tried. They're almost like a wet formula. Okay, I'm going to take Allison on the lid. Whoa, that's not even wetting my brush. Wow. Wowee. This is on a Zoeva 234, by the way. These like shimmer eyeshadows are just unlike anything else. Honestly, that's nuts. See, I struggle with the colors because I want something dark but not too dark on like there. There's only really super dark colors unless I use the contour. I'll just take some Midnight. I think that this might be like a little bit too dark kind of thing, but I might blend it in with a little bit of Control Freak and see what I can come up with. Okay, I'm going to take the color Angel and pop that on my inner corner. Wow. That's beaming. She's beaming. And my brow bone. It's got a yellow tint to it. Gorge. Okay, I'm going to do some liner. I have this Stila smudge stick. From what I remember, this one doesn't irritate my eyes. I have to be like so careful with any eyeliner because it usually like really irritates my eyes. Then just taking this flat definer brush, I'm just going to smudge that. I'm going to take some Black Beauty and just run that over that liner that I've got there. That really makes a difference. That's actually so black. It doesn't look that black in the pan, in the palette, but when you pop it on, it's actually so black. Wow, my eyes like stand out so much. Using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express mascara today. This one I find is really black. I like that it makes my lashes really nice and wispy. Just fluff away that tiny bit of fallout, whatever. We have these colors down here. I'm going to go in with Mocha and then Brownie Bites. I'll just use Mocha first. I don't know if it's the right tone for me. Take the tiniest bit of Brownie Bite. Woo! Girl! Oh, girl. I stuffed that up. I took too much. Like I dipped my brush in once. You know what though? Like it still looks fine. Even though I potentially like over contoured. It's fine. I have this Bobbi Brown blush in Tawny. You don't need much of this. And now I'm going to use the highlight in Radiant. I don't know if it's the right tone for me. We'll soon see, won't we? I might mix in a bit of Moonlight actually. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. It is quite like chunky, quite glittery. It's not like as smooth as some other highlights that I've used. Okay, so I'm popping on the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Selena Lash. These ones are part of her 3D Silk range. I just said to myself before, I'm like, I don't want a super dramatic. I was like, I don't want a super dramatic lash, but like I want a bit of drama today. These ones are just like full dramatic. Okay, I have the lipstick from the collection. So this is just the liquid lipstick in Rosy Raye. Oh, very liquidy. That color is so nice. I think I've got hoe earrings here. Yeah, I do. Okay, so this is the finished look. I actually really enjoyed playing with this palette. A little, you know, mini review on it. The eyeshadows are beautiful and pigmented. I didn't obviously use a whole bunch, but I wanted to make still a wearable look. But I was really pleasantly surprised with like this eyeshadow, and I didn't even have to wet it. The pigmentation on the matte shadows is actually really good. I was a bit confused by the shade Friday on my lower lash line. It just came out like really super pink. But yeah, with the colors that I use, I was really pleasantly surprised, and I was able to, you know, contour with these darker colors, which is really nice. I guess I could have used this on my, this darker contour on my eye as well. But overall, really happy with this palette. Okay, so I've just had a look, and this one is $22.50, which is actually a really good price for this many eyeshadows and colors in a palette. I think that that's an amazing price. And there's my little mini review. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.